All right, we got steering done. Boys are
bolt back
unhooking.
in.
Yeah.
Generators
Is
off.
that normally what you do? I didn't see
You
a
don't
bag
have
for
to.
it.
We gotta undo the fuel line right there.
I said that.
Oh, I'm getting it on film, sir.
Oh, fine.
Film,
Do we
Film.
have to clean it first, or-
film.
No, it should be fine.
Okay.
And the reason that it should be fine is the gas tank is below
Can I see your light?
that fuel.
This one looks like this could use a little
Yep, that can be
TLC.
disconnected.
Undo this.
Actually, that doesn't.
Oh no, that's just an insulation.
That does, because we're pulling the carb.
Huh?
We're pulling the carb, so yeah.
Oh,
It
yeah,
does.
it's got to be full.
Blind, we'll figure it out. Here we go. I think I got it.
Does this need to come off too? Or
Damn, Chuck, you beat me to it.
Yes. What?
Nothing. I was gonna.
Well,
It's okay, I'm
loosen
left-handed.
it first.
There you go. So this needs to be disconnected.
Okay, we need a baggie that says carb hardware. Carb hardware. Grant's got one. Carb stuff. Woo wee! A little bit more, I think. Maybe. Oh no. Yeah, you're good. Then you just gotta fight the damn hose.
Oops, sorry.
There we go. Maybe.
I think I'll try a little looser.
Then we'll pry it off. They sell them any 16ths in metric and standard, sir. Make sure you're on it because you don't want to F that up.
It's turning.
Yeah,
Get another wrench to hold that.
yeah.
You guys fighting that? And we need a another 7/16 so I can get started on this side. And I need something teeny tiny to undo this vacuum.
I'll do this one because I'm.
No, try it.
I bet you that's 9/16, not 5/8.
This is 5/8
Oh, look at you.
because I tried 9/16.
I'm doing it from a distance. There you go. All right, now you
It's
can,
turning the wrenches.
It's turning.
there you go.
It doesn't want to pop.
Oh, girl on the wrenches.
Yes, queen.
There we go. You need one?
Yes. Look at this.
Okay, batteries
Hey,
out.
can we call this the gangbang of
I
the
was just
century?
thinking the same thing.
The gangbang of the century.
She's loving it.
Nothing? Nothing? Everybody? All right, we're good.
Actually, she's loving it.
I'm just not used to all this
Here.
imperial measurements.
Welcome to the world of real sizes.
This is. I'm in the foreign auto group.
This is America, and we do fractions.
Oh, it's got a little lip.
Yeah.
She's got a lip, girl.
Believe, I mean, turning it should theoretically just.
We need, where's that crescent wrench?
Right here.
Okay, give me 1 second. Hold on, I'm pulling one
Smaller
nut.
one?
Yeah, that seems like that might be overkill.
Yeah. Maybe a 3/8 wrench even? Is it 3/8 or maybe 5/16? And I gotta undo.
Can it turn if you get your fingers on it?
Hold on, I got this. Uno momento, por favor. Whoa, whoa, Grant. Easy.
Easy.
We still got to disconnect
That's
this.
what I'm getting these wrenches for.
These pinchy wrenches.
Pinch your inches away. Okay, that one we'll come straight up and grab that one. Oh, wait, no.
Flashlight or?
Where the fuck did it go? I can't see. Oh, it's right there. No, it's right there. Okay. It'll go straight up. Hold on. Let me... You see these? There we go. Grant, you want to finish that off?
What's that little thing? Is that fuel as well?
That's a vacuum line.
Oh, vacuum.
And then we need a... Is this a Phillips? What the fuck is that? Little flathead? Undo there. There's 2 screws and this some bitch will come out. That's the kickstart.
Here's a little one. You want something short like
Hold
that?
on, I got one with my hand right now.
It's a 4-barrel.
Yep. That's the kickstart my heart. Put that in the thing. You know, put it in.
That carb tank.
I need that flat, and give me that little flathead, teeny teeny. I film and work all the time. That could be.
Why don't you just get like a.
Hey, you know,
Like the one-armed bandit.
that could be like my OnlyFans.
Yeah.
So we're good on this
We're gonna
side,
get
right?
that set
Nothing
up
to
this
do on
summer.
here.
No, we've been discussing
As soon as
that.
it's Tony weather, we're gonna get you. In
It's always Tony weather for me. I'm fine.
It's fine.
I can do. I can. Yeah, I don't need clothing. Fuck that.
No, that's just.
But it's attached to it.
That's fine. That's the auxiliary pump. Don't worry about that, boys.
Jesus Christ. It's
Everything
fine
else
thread,
unhooked?
It's like an inch long.
Grant, you could probably get it by hand, bud.
I've been trying. We're getting here. I don't know if I'm off or.
Oh, I see. Okay.
There we go.
He's gonna have.
All right, somebody pull that straight up. Carburetor off. Look at that. Woo! Hold it up like you want to race or something. No, I'd be like over your head, like, yeah, we'll spray champagne later.
Drip gasoline now.
Little
Do
gas.
we have the other two nuts for that?
Where's the other carb nuts, boys?
Probably
Oh, yeah, one nut.
There's one nut there.
timing.
Oh, it should be there. The flashlights.
Okay, so that's ready.
Make sure it didn't go in the block. That would be a problem.
We're gonna tear it down anyway, so I'll leave it.
One carb nut that I lost.
Bobby, are
control
those
of.
vacuum lines clear in the back? They're not hooked onto the engine at some
I
point?
think it could be on the carb.
Yes.
That's right there.
That on the other side.
That's right there. This guy's here because this is
I'm
also a
sorry,
vacuum
is
up,
that a
boys.
vacuum-powered windshield wiper motor?
Absolutely, it is.
Jesus.
Only the best in Buick.
Grant's like amazed. Okay, I think we're ready to do transmission, gentlemen.
Carb bag here. All right, good.
Good.
Carb bag.
Carb bag. All right, let's go up.